Hello everyone and welcome to Techotology, a channel dedicated for technologies and automation.
Every once in a while, our earbuds, earpods, smartwatches and gadgets go missing. How much happy you would be if you will be very less from next time and someone will be reminding you every time you are leaving any of them behind. Many of you might be facing issues with screen brightness when going out in the sun. When using the adaptive light control, it changes the brightness of the screen based on the surrounding light. So if you are in a bright environment, then it will make the screen brighter. However, there are those who do not use this feature due to eye sensitivity and always using low brightness. For those, they might be facing issues when going out in the sun as their screen will be black. In such cases, to increase the brightness, you need to find a dark spot so you can see the options on your screen. What if there is an option to use your mobile without adaptive control and auto adjusting your brightness when you are stepping out of your home or office? How many times have you forgotten to mute your phone and woke up in the middle of the night because of unwanted messages and calls and later regretted forgetting to mute it? How about in one tap you can listen all your upcoming calendar events and reminders? Imagine how satisfying it would be to automatically switch to silent mode according to your daily routines. We can accomplish this and much more using our mobile devices. Did you know that you can use your mobile device as your personal virtual assistant to handle all your tasks and make your life more comfortable and productive? Many of us are not fully aware of the capabilities of our mobile devices and typically use them for our routine tasks such as calling, texting and using social media. But today I will show you another side of it. Interestingly, you really don't need any technical skills or coding to do this. Trust me, it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Samsung Bixby Routines and Apple Siri Shortcuts is the answer of all such worries for Samsung and Apple users. This video provides an overview of Bixby Routine and Siri Shortcuts. The next videos show you how to set up those. If you want to start creating routines and shortcuts directly, the video links are given in description. Starting from Bixby, Samsung replaced its earlier product Samsung Voice with Bixby, an AI-powered virtual assistant. It is like Siri, Google Assistant and Alexa, but with an added feature of Bixby Routine to help automate your daily routine tasks. Bixby can also learn from your habits and tailor itself to your needs. Bixby Routines will give you the ability to set up your routines and launch various actions in accordance with the rules defined manually or automatically by observing your daily routine and behavior patterns. Unlike other AI assistants, it gives you the option to start a series of actions based on your own predefined conditions. Very easy to use and no programming or technical experience is required. To set up your routine, you must only use logical thought. It is working on if and then conditions. You can think like, if this will be the case, then do that action. Siri Shortcut is an automation tool by Apple like Bixby Routine. The workflow app developed by DexConnect was acquired by Apple, which runs Shortcut with Siri. It is a time saver that allows you to get things done faster using your voice to control the apps on your device. After creating these shortcuts, you can ask Siri to perform common tasks without the need to touch your device. Both manual activation through the app or automated event-triggered activation such as the time of the day, leaving a set location or opening an app are options for shortcuts. This was just an overview of Samsung Routines and Apple Shortcuts. In the next videos, we will set up routines and shortcuts to know how to automate our daily routines and recurring tasks to save time and be more productive. I hope this video was informative and I'm looking forward to your feedback and comments. Take care and have a wonderful and productive digital experience.